Good afternoon, Miss Patton.
Hi, dear. Hi, all.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Muhammad.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Ali. So tell me, did you try to solve the worksheet? Did anyone do it? Okay, since we are not too many right here, can you hear me clearly? Is the voice clear?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Aya.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. Okay, so I will share the worksheet with you. You can unmute yourselves. We are not too many. I want you all to participate with me, okay? We're talking about parts of plants and
Okay.
types of their plants. Okay?
Okay. I will unmute. Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. But please, if it's noisy your side, keep muted. Let's start with question number 1. We have a tomato plant. We have a tomato plant. What do we call these green parts of the plant? What are these?
Leaves.
These are the leaves.
من الساعة 1:03
علي عاصي. Okay. What about these yellow parts? What are these? These are flowers. And right here, what is this?
These are tomatoes.
Oh, no tomato.
Sure, it's the tomato. It's a
Tomato.
And what do we call this line?
Stem.
Stem. Thanks a lot. Okay, so I need you now to help me with something. What's the job of each part of the tomato plant? What do leaves do? What's the job of the leaves?
Of the plant. They help the fruits grow. No. They
What
help
do
sunlight.
catch sunlight. Bravo. They catch sunlight. What do they do? And what do they take in?
They catch sunlight. And oxygen.
Carbon dioxide. Good job. They take in carbon dioxide. And then the plants will use sunlight and carbon dioxide to make what? What do plants need sunlight and carbon dioxide for?
Food.
To make food. Good job. Make their own food. Excellent job. Bravo. So plants need sunlight and they also need carbon dioxide to make their own food. What about the flowers? What do flowers do? What do they help the plant with?
They turn into fruit.
Inside the
Make fruit or vegetable.
they turn into fruit. That's right.
Seeds.
To turn into fruits. That's right. Bravo. Sometimes flowers turn into fruits and their job is to make seeds. What's the job of the stem?
It's hold flowers and fruit and leaves.
To hold. Good job.
And the flowers to hold the plants and fruit.
And to support the plant. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay, let's go for question number 2 for part B, and we are still talking about the tomato plant.
Okay.
The tomato plant is a flowering plant. True or false?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent job. This plant, the tomato plant, has needle-like leaves. True or false?
False.
Which type of- Let's
False.
Okay, so the first one, the tomato plant is a flowering plant. This is correct. Does the tomato plant have needle-like leaves? This is false. Which type of leaves does it have? Which type of leaves does this plant have? Broad. Thank you. Bravo, ya Aya. This plant has broad leaves and not needle-like leaves. Leaves can be needle-like leaves, and they can also be broad leaves. This one, look at the leaves of this plant. This plant has broad leaves. Guys, the roots of the tomato plant take water and minerals from the soil. True or false? True. Thank you. Good job. The tomato plant's flower turns into a leaf. True or false? What does it turn into? This is false. Bravo. It turns into a fruit, into a tomato. Excellent job. The flower turns into a fruit and not into a leaf. Okay? The leaf catches sunlight and takes in carbon dioxide. Leaves take sunlight and carbon dioxide. True or false? True. Again, dear ones, what do plants need sunlight and carbon dioxide for? To
grow flowers.
to make their own food. Yeah. Question number 2, we're talking about onions. Onions are one of the oldest foods known to the human race. We know them long time ago. Onions are a type of vegetable that is a member of the bulb family. These bulbs have underground stems. They have edible leaves and they have short roots. Yeah, let's go. What are these? Roots. Bravo. What is this? What is this?
Stem.
It is a stem. And what do we call this stem? What is this stem called? What do we call this stem?
Bulb.
Bulb. Bravo ya Gabris. Bravo ya Ali Gabris. Here is Gabris' name. We call it a bulb. Bravo ya Ali. And which part of the onion do we eat? What are these? What are these? What do we call the white part of the bulb that we eat? Leaves. These are the leaves, ya jama'a. These are the leaves. We eat the leaves of the bulb. Again. We call them bulbs. We call them bulbs. Please, if it is noisy your side, keep muted. We call them bulbs because they have an underground stem called a bulb. They have leaves, white leaves that we can eat. We eat the leaves of the bulbs, and they have short roots. Yalla, tell me, what are the nutrients that onions provide us with? When you eat an onion, what does this onion give your body? What does it provide you with?
Human body.
What does it give to the human body?
Calcium.
Calcium.
Teacher, how
Bravo.
calcium
This
and how
Aya is
vitamin
doing
C?
an excellent job today. Bravo, Aya Sabra.
And vitamin.
And vitamin.
And vitamin C.
Bravo, ya Ali. Bravo, ya Aya. Bravo, ya Ali. Onions give us calcium and vitamin C. So these are the nutrients that this bulb provide us with. Onions give us calcium and they also give us vitamins. So onions provide us with calcium and vitamin C. And this is written in the text. Okay? Yalla, question number 3.
Okay.
Color the stems of the plants shown in the pictures. Let's start with the first one. What is this? Tell me. The first one, it is growing on a column. It is growing on something. What's the type of this stem?
Grapes.
What's the type? Name it. Give me the name of this stem.
Underground.
It's not underground. We can see it above the ground. But what is it called? Vine. Bravo. Is this Hassan? This is a vine.
Yes.
Bravo. Bravo, ya Hassan. What do we call this?
Potato vegetable. Underground stem.
Okay, it is an underground stem. Bravo, ya Habris. But give me its name. What's the type of this stem?
It's a fruit.
The third is a strong tree.
The third is a trunk. Bravo. The
It's a
third is
trunk.
Trunk tree.
Tube. What is this? Tube.
Tubes. Tube.
It's called a tuber. Tuber. This is a tuber. Yalla, I will color the first. I will color the first stem.
Yeah, Mama.
This is the stem. I'm coloring it in green. It is a vine. It grows first on the ground surface, and then it goes find something to get upright. This is the stem of this vine. It needs something to grow on. This is the stem. Yalla, what about the tuber? What should I color?
The tuber.
Underground fruit.
What should I color? Which part of the tuber should I color?
Brown.
Brown. We should color all of it. The potato that you eat. The potato that you eat is a stem. The potato that you eat is a stem.
But from the inside, it's a yellow.
Okay. Let's color the trunk.
Brown.
This is the trunk.
Brown.
The leaf is green, and the apples is red.
Yes, I know, but you have to color the stem only. Okay? هلا نحن we are coloring the stem only.
Teacher,
This
I
is
don't
the
have the
stem.
worksheet.
جاني يوم اخذت 30 وانت 20.
So we color the stem as a note.
I don't
هيدا
have the
above
worksheet.
ground وهيدي underground وهيدي above ground. Okay?
كاتب يعطيك اياها ببلاش.
Hassan, please, you need to mute.
I
It's
don't
noisy
have
your
the
side, Habibi.
worksheet.
It's noisy your side. We should classify these stems according to their type. Are they above ground or underground? Let's start with the golden ball cactus. With this, does it have an above ground stem or an underground stem?
Underground.
Underground, you cannot see it. It grows inside the soil. It grows in the soil.
Above ground. It's above.
It's above the ground.
Underground. Yes.
The golden.
And the garlic is in the underground.
The garlic is underground.
Underground.
And the tree is not underground.
Above ground, صح؟
Above the ground stem. And the coriander is above.
The coriander is above. Amazing job. 1, 2, 3, 5. Mute, 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 mute. The coriander. 1, 2. The coriander has an above ground stem. Bravo. So this one. Right. This above ground. وهيدي above ground والcoriander above ground. We can see them, okay? They grow on the soil, above the soil, and not inside it. Not inside it. Okay? This one, the garlic, grows under the ground. The golden ball cactus is an above ground has an above ground stem, and its type هو cactus stem. And the 5 above ground stems. This is one, the cactus stem. The acai palm tree has a stem, a woody stem that grows high without ramifying. It has no branches, so this is a stipe. This is a stipe. The coriander, as you can see, has green stems, and they are also above ground. So this is another type of above ground stems. يلي هن الgreen stems. We still have the trunk. We saw the trunk. Vine. So trunk, stipe, green stem, cactus stem, vine are 5 types of above ground stems. What about underground stems? عند البلب مثل الجارليك and onion، وعند التيوبر مثل البوتيتو. These 2 are types of underground stems, bulbs and tubers. يلا 1 2 3 4 5. Unmute yourselves. Let's do this together. Let's do this together.
Okay.
Yes.
Yalla, the first one.
Okay.
Indicate the type of the stem of the plant. What is it?
Vine.
It's a vine.
Vine.
It
It's
is
a
a
vine.
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 On surfaces.
Vine.
Vine.
A vine.
No, stipe. Vine.
The second one, bravo, is a stipe. It has no branches.
Why?
It has no branches.
One is the
Trunk.
trunk.
The second one is S type. The third one,
Trunk.
the third one is a trunk. Bravo. It has branches. طيب, هلا listen to me. Miss Fatin made a mistake. Miss Fatin made a mistake. This is wrong. The fourth one is not a tuber and it is not a green stem. What is it? Who can guess?
It's a cactus stem.
Bravo, bravo, amazing job. It is a cactus stem. It has a cactus stem. It is a cactus stem. Yalla, before we finish, above ground wala underground. First one, the vine, above ground wala underground? Above ground. صح. Above ground. Let's type.
Above. Top is above. Trunk is above. And cactus
The
is
trunk.
above.
The trunk.
Above.
Cactus stem. Above.
Above ground.
Here we can see 4 types of above ground stems. Vines, side, trunks, cactus stem. And what is the first one? Catch me one. What is it?
Above.
What is it? Identify. Anna 1, 2.
Side. Side.
Hindi 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the fifth one?
Above.
What is the fifth one? They missed it. They didn't talk about it. What is it?
Green default
stems.
stem.
Bravo. مين هيدا الشاطر? Green stem. Green stem هو
علي
number
غبريت.
5. برافو يا آية.
No,
The fifth
علي
one.
غبريس.
وعلي غبريس. Excellent job. طيب. Again. Trunk. Stem. Green stem. Cactus stem will vine. These are 5 above ground stems. They grow above the ground. We can see them. Okay? Let's talk about underground stems. عندي 2 underground stems. 2 underground stems.
Bulb and tuber.
Underground stems.
Tuber.
Tuber, bravo. And
Bulb.
bulb, bravo.
Bulb.
Tuber and bulb. صح. Tuber and bulbs, bravo. So we have 2 underground stems. Tuber like which plant? Which plant has a tuber?
Potato.
Potato. Well, bulbs.
Potato.
13.
I can't hear you. The potato plant has the potato that you eat is a stem. Well, bulbs. And 2 examples
stem.
of bulbs.
Onion and garlic.
Onion. Onion. Garlic.
Garlic.
برافو يا أبطال. برافو يا أبطال. The bulbs, they have short roots, they have leaves that we can eat, and they also have the stem, underground stem. Bravo يا آية. Bravo يا آية. So look, we finished the worksheet. We're going to do now a quick revision since you have tomorrow a quiz. You did an excellent job. We finished it early actually. We're going to do a quick revision about the lesson, and then we'll talk a little bit about the science fair. Okay? Plants, listen to me. Listen to me. Plants have 4 basic parts. They have a stem to hold the leaves, the fruits, and the flowers. They have the leaves to catch sunlight and take in carbon dioxide. They have, what do they have?
Roots.
They have roots to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Some of them have flowers and not all of them.
Flowers
And then sometimes flowers turn into fruits. We have two types of leaves. Two types of leaves. Broad leaves.
needle and broad trees.
Bravo. Broad leaves and
needle trees.
like leaves.
And needle
leaves.
Needle-like leaves. We have different types of stems. Stems can be above ground stems أو underground stems. أو بيكونوا underground أو بيكونوا above ground. Let's start talking about the two underground stems. Underground stems, they grow in the soil under the ground.
and tuber.
Bravo. Bulbs
Tuber.
and
Bulb
tubers.
and tuber.
Bulbs and tubers. Bulbs عندهم short roots. They have leaves that we eat, and they have short underground stems مثل onions and garlics. Tubers هن underground stems that we eat and هن they store food. Potato. Above ground stems.
Potato. We have
Above ground
stem.
stems.
Green default stem.
Yeah. Above ground stems and the
Green default stem.
Yeah. Green
default
trunk, stipe,
Stipe.
green stem,
Trunk.
The last one is cactus.
Cacti stem أو cactus
Cactus.
stem.
Green stem, stipe, and broad.
Vines.
And
Bravo.
bro.
The green stems. The green stems. هن green. I think I should make this smaller. هن green. هن flexible. هن thin. مش so hard. هن hollow. يعني we can see through them. The stipes. Green ولا woody? Woody أكيد. Woody. Are they thin or thick? Thin or thick?
Thick.
Thick. Bravo. Thick. And they do not ramify. ما بيعملوا branches. They do not make branches. Okay? The trunks هن كمان woody. هن كمان thick.
Woody,
But they ramify.
they do not.
They make
But
branches.
they do branches.
They run.
They do branches. Bravo. يعني this is مثلا I'll draw something.
That's like
Look at this.
an orange tree.
Is this a stipe ولا a trunk? Stipe ولا trunk?
Stipe.
Stipe. This is a
Stipe.
stipe. Bravo. ما عندها branches. طيب what about this?
This is a trunk.
This is a trunk.
Trunk.
Bravo.
Trunk.
This is a trunk. Okay. What do cacti store inside them? What do cacti?
Water.
They are fat. They are
Water.
fat because they store water.
They're fat because
Because they store water.
Bravo. What about vines? What do you know about vines?
They are on
they are thick. The stem
They
is
have
thin.
They are on things.
They
They
grow
are thin.
on
On
things. They need
Things.
a support to grow on. They need support. Okay? I will try to draw it. I will try to draw it. Look, let's say this is a vine. I'll use this. هيدي الفاين تكبر هيك. And then مثلا it finds a tree and it starts growing on the tree. Okay, this is a vine. Vines need things to grow on them. Is everything clear about the lesson? Do you have any questions about the lesson?
No.
Okay, great job. Thank you for joining me. I love you so much. There is a science competition. No, not for you. I'm sorry for this. Not for you. Yalla, see you next week. I love you. Good luck in your quiz. Please revise your questions well, your answers well before submitting them. Do not submit more than one time. And good luck. I love you. Thank you for joining.
I love you too.
Bye. Bye, teacher. I love you. Bye.